Mic check, mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Hello. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check. Hello, hello, hello. Yun. Rinig ko. May mic ako, boss? Wala. May naririnig ka sa akin? Wala.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment.
Restart ko lang, boss. Restart ko. Ano di keyboard ko? Malingag ko. Mic check. Hello. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Restart ko lang, boss. Mic check.
Welcome to a place where everyone deserves to be better protected, where technology has your back, where you can have better protection and keep more money in your pocket, where you can have protection for your car, your home, your phone, and even your digital identity. Welcome to a place where your entire life can be better protected. You're in good hands with Allstate.
Allstate and affiliates offer products and services subject to availability, terms, and conditions.
When you game with Alienware, you have the freedom to be anyone. Whether it's a smooth-sounding narrator or the galaxy's most feared warrior, and the freedom to go anywhere in merely an instant. So no matter who you choose to be or where you choose to go, Alienware empowers you to defy boundaries and find freedom. Elevate your gameplay with the new Alienware X Series laptops with 11-gen Intel Core processors. Defy boundaries and start gaming now at Alienware.com.
From 20th Century Studios.
I will not be silent.
Based on a true story.
Can this man do nothing but evil?
I am innocent of the crime! Matt Damon.
I request a duel to the death.
Adam Driver.
The accusation is false.
Jodie Comer.
He must answer for what he has done.
Ben Affleck.
Do as you must.
In a film by Ridley Scott that must be experienced on the big screen.
Confess!
The Last Duel. Rated R. Under 17 admitted without parent. October 15th. Tickets on sale now.
Guys. Hello. Guys. Hello. Oh. Ay, marami ba? Pwede rin. Wala pa namang gamit yung ano eh, yung kotse eh. Para hindi na natin ibalik dyan. Ikapin na lang kita, tapos lipat natin sa sasakyan. Oh, hindi pa namin inayos yung yung ano namin, container na puti. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Hello, hello. I check. Bakan. Makaguan game mo no 2 game sakpay lang ta ka. Da busy. Da team may nga bisita. Sumangpot. Baka makayay mo lang kay di ano maramdam ah. Online kay pa eh. Level up ka. Bullfrog. Well, mayamat yung bullfrog. Tapay ni Judge Dredd ah.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly.
Got you.
Enemy soldier incoming. Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Delata glitch na. Makita ng mapa. Ako. Ay,
Team
mali.
is tracking your position. Your primary objective is to kill them all. Objective is to eliminate
Thank
the
you,
rebels.
Debraj. Salamat po, Idol. Shout out, Debraj. Malupit sa Canada. Pinakamalupit sa Canada. Debraj alias Daily Flight. 30 kills per game. Uy. $30 kills per game yan, Lods. Yung kalaban. Pinakamalapit sa LA. Dami, Lods, malulupit dito. Sa ating isipan.
Enemy launched an advanced UAV. We're exposed.
Loadout. Wala namang...
AT mine armed.
Wala namang buy station. Ay, dito. Meron. Sa kaliwa natin. Ay na. Sa kalaban. Pwede tayo mag-loadout dito. Tapos, ano to? Tapos sugurin natin yung bounty. Sigurado natatakot na sa atin yan. Sabi na, ito yung mga dalawang Ilocanong malupit.
That cash is out.
Uy, may nag-loot dito.
Heading your way.
Take that handgun.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Ay, may nag-loot dito.
Someone get that item.
Enemy launched an advanced UAV. We're exposed.
Sugurin natin ta. Bounty. Kami kalaban. Pwede natin pagpraktisan yan. Pag hindi tayo mapagpraktisan. May kalaban din sila eh.
Gas is closing in.
Nasa aeroplano siya. Sa aeroplano.
We're out of time. Scrub the contract.
Tango removed.
Umilip eh. Meron pa? May red door dito.
Indicating waypoint. Let's get to the safe zone.
Your innermost secrets were always locked behind. You ready to do this?
Friendly advanced UAV marking target.
Sniper rifle. Get
Dalawa pa lang advanced UAV ah. Ito, gas mask ah.
Meron na ako.
Tapos tayo.
Bulag to ah. Ito ba yung buhay ko? Ba tayo? Farmland.
Sa farmland tayo. Yung campground ng kalaban.
Loadout drop inbound.
Selfie na tayo. Tapos UAV ulit.
Friendly recon inbound.
O sa taas. Nasa gitna na tayo eh. Dito, meron dito.
Indicating waypoint.
Sa pinakamataas ba?
Oo.
Dito, pwede dito. Sa loob.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for
Ay, hindi pwede. Putang inang yan. Tayo dyan.
Sa pinakamataas.
Pwede mag-parachute dito. Oh. Dito sa may ano, sa may tower. Pahirapan pa tayo dun ah. Sobrang nagmaylo. Palit yata tayo.
Ito ba yan?
Ay.
Hindi ko barrel to.
Ha?
Ito ba?
Ay. Ako pala. Ay ba?
drop inbound.
Hindi ko alam.
Ito yung baril mo. Ito yata. M13 sa'yo, di ba?
Rifle mark.
Hindi. 4-4.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Okay na. Okay na ako.
May king dito. Oh. Patayin natin.
Mover here.
Second floor.
Marking target location.
Flank ta. I-right ka, left. Left hack. Uy, nasa. May kalaban.
Located tank. Nothing here. Eyes open for hostiles.
Tadak siya.
Engaging. Standby. Hostile foot patrol.
Nice. Ay, team wipe.
Based on a true story.
May isa pang kalaban. May isa pa. Mag-isa na lang.
Tira niya ako eh. Nasa bahay.
Oo.
In a film by Ridley Scott that must be experienced on the big Throwing thermite. rated R. Under 17 without parent. October 15th. Tickets on sale. Throwing stun.
Yun, stun. Pasokin natin.
Watch for enemy.
Ay, nandito po siya. Nice. Ano lang. Thank you.
smelled like total pit candy for 24 hours.
Oh, naubos yung ano ko dun ah.
For it, listen
Someone
to
get
these
that item.
kids who called native
Shopping tayo.
best ever, incomparable,
Hindi natin to.
holy grail,
Tagging a
natural
bounty
deal.
contract. Tagging buy station.
Searching, sniffing,
Tapos UAV tayo.
shop native. You're one and done for the
Selfie, selfie. Marami.
Oh, sige. Heartbeat sensor mo. Kunin ko lang tong ano, bounty.
Tagging a bounty contract.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Wala ba? Sa buy station siya. Buy station.
Friendly UAV
Ayun, nasa likod natin. Bumalik.
Throwing stun.
Isa pa. Ay, tangina, may kasama siya. Nadong ko yung kasama niya.
Sa baba.
Oo, sa baba, pinakababa,
If you
basement.
survive, you earn your freedom.
Hinihil niya siguro yung kasama niya. Pwede mo siyang sigurin.
Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. Sort them out or capture them.
Ay, burst fire pa.
Got
Pala.
stuff in there. We're bringing you home. If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Nasa gilid. Walang kalaban.
Uy.
The enemy took
Ah.
that. We'll be back to finish the job.
Lads na nadito niya kan. Dajero warja bisita. Sumapat ay ano. Gaya makamanan ka. Damdaman ka.